2024 Ford Transit Custom Nugget camper revealed with solar roof. It is offered with AWD and independent rear suspension. One of the most important promotions of this year at the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf, Germany, is Ford's Transit Custom Nugget. The camper replaces the previous model introduced in early 2019 by switching to the latest Transit Custom Bones introduced a year ago. Blue Oval has teamed up with Westfalia for the camper van conversion, and it has all the usual amenities you would expect from a small house on wheels. This includes an L-shaped kitchen, a chest of drawers and a sink. The 2024 Transit Custom Nugget is equipped with a sloping roof with self-folding fabric to facilitate lowering of the roof. For an additional fee, Ford can equip the campervan with a solar-powered roof to power the interior features. Other goodies include roller blinds as well as built-in storage for tables and chairs used outside. It is wide enough to fit a double bed and comes with swivel captain seats for the driver and front passenger. At the rear is a 3-person bench with optional heating, USB-C ports and audio speakers. The Blue Oval has a rear-mounted hot/cold shower as standard, and you can pay extra for the tailgate tent. This 13-inch infotainment system runs on AWD and comes with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's also a separate 7-inch touchscreen in the living area to manage heating, water levels, battery level and lighting. You can also do this remotely using an app on your smartphone that connects to the vehicle via Bluetooth. Ford also offers wireless charging and a standard 5G modem. Featuring an all-new chassis that promises to deliver a car-like experience, the open-air nugget-flavored 2024 Transit Custom has independent rear suspension and can be ordered with all-wheel drive. It is available for the first time with a plug-in hybrid powertrain borrowed from the Kuga PHEV. It uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter gasoline engine and an electric motor to deliver a total of 230 horsepower. The battery pack has a usable capacity of 11.8 kilowatt-hours, providing enough energy for an electric range of approximately 20 miles, 32 kilometers. Ford will sell the camper with a 168 horsepower diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. Diesel will be available first, and customers will be able to order this month for delivery in the spring of 2024. The PHEV and other powertrains will follow in the next 12 months. Pricing in Germany starts at €76,500, about $83,000 at current exchange rates.